To show you how to set up your Roblox app, your Roblox account, or your apps. So let's get started. It's easy for both, the same easy and the same way for both Android user, iPhone user. I can put here. Now we're going to download our Roblox and I'll go how to set it up. So what you need to do is open up your Roblox. Okay, now so our Roblox has been opened. Now let's set it up. You can see it's still loading. It has slowed finish. Let's start it up. Okay, yeah, so you have to do create account. Once you click on create account, you need to input your birthday account here. You need to put something there. Okay, yeah, okay, so click on confirm birthday, then use your username. So don't use your real name. So I'm gonna put a username. So I'm going to put username there. Okay, okay, so I need to write exactly what they want. So they say it must be okay, you mean 100. So I think this one is already in use. I'm going to use 2001. It's already in use. I'm going to use 2022. Already in use. I'm going to use 1991, 1992. Okay, so this one is not. You just make sure the mark this is marked. So you have to put your password. Make sure you remember the password. And gender, this is for male and this is for female. So click on female and create account. Just click on create account and our account has been set up. Okay, do you want to save your password? I'm click on, need to change this email to, click on save. I think it is network. Okay guys, we are finally an easy create our Roblox account. Very easy. You can see I think the network, so it's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.